Thank you for considering Puget Sound Security. In this brief documentary, we'll be introducing our chairman and founder, Jeff Kirby, our president, Dr. Bill Kotringer, executive vice president, Bob Bennett, and our operations and accounting departments. Then we'll share with you what you'll enjoy by having Puget Sound Security on your team.
Security is a word we all somewhat take for granted as being a general word that means the same to all people, when in fact it means something different to every single person that uses it. The key to our success is tailor-making it to find the vulnerabilities and proactively provide assistance and aid to overcome those vulnerabilities to the best possible use of the budget at hand.
In the security business, knowing what to do is not very difficult. Doing it consistently and reliably every day, every hour, every minute is difficult.
A little bit now on how we began over 25 years ago and why having Puget Sound Security at your side for years to come is the right thing to do.
Puget Sound Security Patrol started out with one patrol vehicle and one driver, Jeff Kirby, at Newport Shores.
Well, I was much younger back then. I was 28 years old and began by driving a patrol car all night long and soliciting memberships on a door-to-door basis for $10.40 a month to a local homeowners community on a voluntary basis to provide nighttime surveillance.
Who is Puget Sound Security? We are locally owned for over 25 years. Puget Sound Security is in the top 5 of the privately owned security firms in this state.
When it comes to security, we're a full-service security corporation capable of addressing each of your needs with a nuance that specifically fits the neighborhood you're in and the type of liability exposure that you have and how to address that.
With locations covering the entire state of Washington, including corporate headquarters in Bellevue, Seattle area, branch offices in Aberdeen and Spokane, Puget Sound Security has the latest and cutting-edge technology. GPS, electronic patrol and security officer reporting, high-tech radios and verification tools. Puget Sound Security has the largest and best-equipped fleet in the state and the largest available patrols.
We have more cars on the road at midnight than the Issaquah Police Department has. We focus on the basics of this business.
And the basics haven't changed. Selecting the right people, training them with quality security training, and supervising them to make sure that the performance on the job is being what the clients want and what we want and expect.
Puget Sound Security is a frontrunner and a pioneer for instant security solutions for short or long-term projects. Whether you need officers for a weekend or you need more than 100 officers for a detail in 1 week, we can handle all your security guard and patrol needs.
We are truly the leader when it comes to being proactive. I helped organize the security industry, and as their president is how we got legislation acquired in the state of Washington.
Puget Sound Security. We literally wrote the book on top-notch security partnerships. Training is our trademark.
There was no regulations requiring any kind of selection procedures, any kind of backgrounding, no training standards, no performance standards. It was wide open, and there was a lot of problems.
You need that type of proactivity to where an individual is always looking to seek beyond the standard, to go above and beyond.
Puget Sound Security. We were instrumental in initiating legislation, including the training standards now required for all security companies to comply with. Some of our employees have been on the team for over 10 years. Puget Sound Security. For all your security needs.
Every single person is important. There's not one call that's less important than the other call. It has nothing to do with the amount of money that you're spending. It has to do with the fact that we're people and we all want to be treated the same with respect and dignity. And that's what you find when you come to our corporation.
Hundreds of officers, exceptional training, unique in people skills, high-rise and biotech, industrial and hospital, anywhere in Washington. Transparent pricing, user-friendly accounting, vehicle patrols, CPR and first aid, CCTV cameras, electronic reports, alarm response, free risk surveys, FBI checks. Puget Sound Security. Beyond ordinary.